Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Oral-B Braun toothbrush is not turning on, it can be frustrating, especially when it was working fine before and suddenly becomes unresponsive. This kind of issue can make it seem like the toothbrush is completely dead, but in many cases, the problem is related to charging, battery condition, or minor internal glitches rather than a total failure. Since these toothbrushes rely on proper charging and contact alignment, even a small issue can stop them from powering on. Once you go through the right checks, you can often bring it back to normal operation without replacing it. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Oral-B Braun toothbrush and get it working again. Try these. Step 1. Place the toothbrush properly on the charging base and ensure it is connected to power. Step 2. Try a different power outlet to confirm the charger is working. Step 3. Leave the toothbrush on charge for several hours before testing. Step 4. Clean the charging contacts on both the base and the toothbrush. Step 5. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds to attempt a reset. Step 6. Remove from the charger and check if the toothbrush turns